My hope for this administration is that they return reward to work. They returned that American dream. They revived the American dream that if you work hard, you play by the rules, you get ahead. That is, I sound like a broken record. I've said it a million times over the nearly 16 years I've been doing this, and it's as true now as it the first time I said it. We have so much work that needs to be done. In fact, someone reminded me that during Obama's 2013 inauguration, I was interviewed at the inauguration by Richard Fowler. And I was talking about almost the exact stuff I'm talking about now. I want them to create jobs. I want them to be good union jobs. I want them to be infrastructure jobs. We've got so much to do. It was the same line. And here we are all these years later, 8 years later, and we're still talking about it. So again, I renew that call for Joe Biden to be the guy who finally does the things that I've been asking to get done. And that is return reward to work and rebuild our infrastructure. And I hope that happens. Because it's my view that if you really want to unite the country, if you're truly in the mindset of we want to reach out to the folks on the other side, we want to pull them in, we want to heal the gulf between us, you got to do it with jobs, good union jobs. You got to do it with opportunity. You got to do it with making conditions better, making people's lives better. As my mindset goes, if you want to unite the country, get them out of their bunkers and give them something to do. Get them out of their bunkers where they're plotting to overthrow our government. Make their lives better by giving them good jobs. To me, that's the way forward. All the words, all the rhetoric, all the flowery language, all the speeches, not going to do it. Making people's lives better will.